boss, Mr. One Boss has gone home. Alright, he also goes to the ref limit. Pushes the truck all the way past the exit, still creating smoke. Japanese drifter. Let's see how the Far East. Let's see what the Far East has to offer. He's pushing the truck out. Thank you very much, Mr. Sushi. Races down the street. Mostly I'm listening. The gears coming on. That was insane. Only one. Not too much. And we're into the advertising post. You know, oh, that's a broken knuckle. That's a broken knuckle, and they have to bring in the four-wheel drive in. They have to bring in the four-wheel drive Jeep in to pull them out. That's a broken knuckle right there. If I'm not mistaken from inside stories I'm getting. And that's our second dip. There's a rotary engine right here in the 86. Let's see what rotary power has to offer. And of course, the power of the rotary. Whoops, saves the car from the wall. Seems to have a bit of push up the car. Mr. Drive is definitely on rhythm right here. He's got what it takes, bouncing a bit in the front, but he's still got the momentum to go. Points, can he score? 2 points over here. Drama, action, angle, speed. aka Mr. Noor Azwan Ismail, Orange 86. He's from Along Raceworks, the Malaysian team. He's flying, pushing the car to the very edge. He's got to push into this to get another high points. He's got 85 points before. Can he score more right now? All kinds of sounds coming out. Okay, this is the calm zone. Gets more tense as you count down the straight. This is the most tense part of the track. Yes, he's still eating here way to the back. He tries to salvage this run after the first race of his Ball sliding. Coming down the straight. Tarmac surfing action here. Let's see the corner. That exhaust sound absolutely menacing. He tries to keep on the line with the switch back down to the second front clipping. Let's see if he can score some points here. It's all about the points. As long as the points are in, he's gonna get just some points. Just has to keep calm, keep the line all alive. Don't spin over here. Keep the momentum going. Very well done there. He's gonna see a big improvement in his points over here as he never spins the car and he finishes the run. Very nice there by Mr. Pata from Ninja Racing. He's gonna get some points over here. Car colored the country flag color. Pakistani driver here coming down the straight, pushing 1, 2, 3 and pushes out the back just a bit slightly. He's got to get a bit more angle on the rear zones. Just cleared the first clipping. Trying to. Oh no! That's so frustrating, even from the top. Best points, but yes, now we have car number 911 from Mr. Pai Yong, Team RX. Let's see how he does in his hard trucks and bureau. He's gonna push all out. It's done. All right. Why did he get 2 tires across the line? Time and time again, it's always reminded to not have both the rotary going. Yeah, the rotary sound, the trademark rotary sound. Let's see how you translate that rotary power to a drift. We can all remember. Oh my God! He's gonna push it out. He's gonna push it out. All right, running pretty okay here. All right, no trouble this time. Just finish it. Number 3, he's okay, improved the slide, coming down the straight line. He's got to have some points right here, right now. Oh man, couldn't get the right rhythm on that first E70. Let's see, he's pulling something. One tire only across the line. Still had to do some adjustments, but he lost a bit of the momentum. A major adjustment there. He really is not happy with that. Including ones not involved with drift. Let's see how he translates that experience on the track. Pushing the car to the edge with smoke. Very nice, aggressive rotary. He's got one tire. I don't know, only one. As far as he stops the whole thing. That is very unfortunate for Mr. Arijonis.
1 round, 0 points.
0 points from Saki. He comes down here. Pulling second, pulling third. Get that traction, high horsepower. It's very understeering a bit. One adjustment. There was an adjustment. Alright, but still, he still maintains his momentum. Make sure he finishes. Yeah, he's trying to recover just now. Probably seeing a little bit of gray in the car before he comes to the straight line. As he builds up speed through the gears. Hopefully it's only 2 tires, but could be more than 2 tires, I don't know. Above the line. judges of 0 points, says the judges. Very unique car. It's a convertible S15. I think the only convertible S15. An original convertible S15, I must say. Let's see how the drifting Oh man, such a pity, because his rear doors he comes down, Alexander Yazov, you can hear that screaming. Okay, it's time. Car number 22, but yep. Oh, having some trouble there. Okay, we start real sharp. Rushing down here. Full of power. He pushes it all the way. Very, very nice. Aggressive drifting. Lovely aggression. Very high impact. That deserves an applause. Very nice there, Mr. Amirul Shah from under 5 from Team Energy Carrier. Let's see how Mr. Hanif pilots his S2000 down here. It's okay, let the bumper slide, Mr. Hanif. It's alright, as long as the car slides. Ignore the bumpers, just slide the car. As long as you got the momentum, the bumpers can come off completely. I hope it's not a mechanical problem. It looks like there's white smoke coming up from it. Third gear down. Still the car is looking really slow. Makes it for the rear clipping. Barely makes it for the first round clipping. And trying Thank you very much. AKA Mr. Bird. Alright, it's a very unique Toyota Starlet. Let's see how short apparently not very slow. He's trying.